Hi, welcome back to the workshop, and today we are looking and launching a brand new product from us here at Key Model World.
That's right, we've partnered with PJM Models to create a brand new collection of modular platforms for double O gauge, and we've got now the first kits here in stock, ready for you to buy. So we're going to explain a little bit more about what they are.
Absolutely. Now you can see they're here on our new 500-pound layout challenge. They are all laser cut, and they come in, well, a bit of a different variety of finishes, don't they?
That's right, yeah. So this is the start of a whole series of different platform kits we're going to do over a period of time. So we've done straight platform kits, which you can buy either as a single pack or a triple pack. We've done platform ramp kits, so you get a pair of platform ramps in one kit. We've also done a little terminus end section as well. So if you're building a terminus station, you can put the straight sections together with the ramps at the end and put a terminus at the end, put a station building on it. So it's just trying to create a collection of platforms which people can use in lots of different ways and hopefully give people good value as well at the same time, because these are, like I say, fully laser cut, but all the bricks are laser engraved on them. You've also got two different edging styles on them for just underneath the edges of the platform.
We do.
So you've got the block style, we've got the brick style. The brick style is really intricate and detailed, but I actually personally really like the blocks. I think because they're simpler to put on, but that's by the by. But they're designed to be simple to use, and you can expand them as you wish to suit your layout style.
Yes, and actually having built these platforms for this layout, I can actually tell you that these are incredibly simple to build. I mean, literally, they just clip in, glue in. It took us, what, 10 minutes?
Yeah, probably 10 minutes
per platform.
Per platform string.
Even less for this one. It was so easy to assemble. They glue together really, really well, and they just look incredible.
They really do, yeah. And like I say, being modular as well does really help, because you can. So we've got single packs and triple packs. So here we've got one triple pack of the straights, one pair of the ramps, and one of the terminus sections. But you could put in as many of the straight sections as you want and join them all together. The other thing we've done with them as well is actually, even on the ends here, at the end of the platform, you've got the brick detail. So if you wanted to have a more modern platform, or even some of the older platforms where you get a finish where they go dead straight at the end rather than having a ramp, you can replicate that with full brick detail as well. So they're really quite a flexible design and really useful. So.
Now, this is fantastic for double O gauge, and obviously it's part of a growing range that we're producing. What else have we got in the pipeline? Because this is just the beginning of our platform series, isn't it?
That's right. So we've got different styles of supports for the platforms we're going to do. And I've got lots of ideas about creating extra modules to be able to do a wider platform section, be able to put in a bay platform, we'll do some narrower platform sections as well. So lots of different options of how you can build up a platform to suit a lot of different types of model railway as well. One of the other really good things that all these come with as well is they actually come with gauges. So you can set a gauge between the edges of the platform, which sits into the track between the sleepers. So you can set the gauge between the platforms either side with accurate spacing. And then for those building a terminus platform like we have, one of the little compromises we came to is that with model railway medium radius points, for example, if you put like a loco like a class 37 through here, at scale distance, then the edge of the buffer beam just clouted the platform.
Yes.
So we've done an extra optional part to go with the terminus section piece. So if you are putting a set of points between the platforms, you'll use the extra piece there to do your gauging, which is it's 2 millimeters wider on each side, so 4 millimeters wider overall. It just gives you that extra bit of clearance you need for a loco to sweep through some points between the platforms.
It does make all the difference, doesn't it?
It certainly does.
As we said, these are available now from us. How much are they selling for, Mike, and when are they in stock?
Right, so they're all in stock now. You can buy a single straight piece of platform, which is 450 millimeters long for £10.99. You can buy a triple pack of 450 millimeter long platform sections, so that's nearly 1.5 meters of platform for £29.99. The ramps, they're sold as a twin pack. They're £7.99 for a pair of ramps. And if you want the terminus station section to go at the end to create like a little terminus like we've got here, then that's £10.99 for one of those.
The good thing there is you can basically achieve something that we've got over here on our 500-pound layout challenge, which has cost us, what, £50?
Yeah, it costs about £45-50 for this collection of platforms I've got here. It's not a massive outlay as around the grand scheme of things.
No, it's not. It's not expensive. It took less than an hour to construct, and it looks fantastic. And for anybody who models double O gauge, these are definitely for you. So make sure you head over to the Key Model World shop, have a look at all the range there, and get yourself a kit or two or more.
Exactly. And if this is whetted your appetite for a little bit more of what we're building here, then you can find out much more about how we build these platforms, painted, finished them as well, in our latest series, which is called the £500 Layout Challenge. That's available on Key Model World, a full 4-part video series. So if you're a subscriber, you've got access to that straight away as a Key Model World subscriber. Alternatively, you can watch part 1 for free on YouTube just to get your an insight into what we're doing. Jump over to Key Model World, take out a free freemium membership on Key Model World to watch part 2.
Absolutely.
And then once you've done that, you'll probably be hooked by then. So hopefully you want to watch parts 3 and 4.
Indeed, because let's face it, in this day and age, who doesn't want to get the model railway of their dreams for a nice, affordable price?
That's right, yes. Yeah.
As we said, head over to keymodelworld.com/shop. Have a look at our wonderful platform range that is here now and ever increasing. And we will see you next time.